What if I told you that a tiny seed smaller than a grain of rice could supercharge your body while you sleep? Sounds unbelievable, right? Well, stick around because today we're unlocking the incredible nighttime power of chia seeds and why just 1 week of eating them before bed could spark a transformation in your health. These tiny nutritional seeds are loaded with fiber, protein, and essential minerals. But here's the kicker. Consuming them at night can amplify their benefits in ways you never imagined. So, let's start with the basics. What exactly are chia seeds? Well, these little seeds come from the Salvia hispanica plant, native to Mexico and Guatemala. They've been a staple in diets for centuries. So, if you're ready to wake up feeling refreshed, energized, and healthier than ever, let's dive in. 1. Promotes better sleep. Chia seeds are packed with minerals like magnesium and calcium, which play a crucial role in sleep regulation. Did you know that magnesium plays a vital role in regulating neurotransmitters that send signals throughout your nervous system? When magnesium levels are sufficient, it can help reduce insomnia and improve sleep quality. Chia seeds are one of the richest plant sources of magnesium, making them an excellent addition to your bedtime routine. Another sleep champion found in chia seeds is tryptophan, an amino acid that the body uses to produce serotonin, which then gets converted into melatonin. Melatonin is often referred to as the sleep hormone, and it signals our body that it's time to wind down. By incorporating chia seeds into your diet, you support this natural hormonal balance. 2. Aids in weight loss. You've probably heard that fiber is essential for digestion, but what you might not know is that it can also keep you feeling full longer. Chia seeds are loaded with soluble fiber, which absorbs water and expands in your stomach. Basically, they become a gel-like substance that takes up space in your stomach, helping you feel satisfied and less likely to reach for that extra snack. So, if you want to curb those cravings, consider adding chia seeds to your meals. You can sprinkle them on yogurt, blend them into smoothies, or even create a delicious chia pudding. Next, we have protein. That's right, these little seeds pack a punch when it comes to protein. Protein is a crucial macronutrient for weight loss because it helps repair muscles and keeps you feeling full longer. Incorporating chia seeds into your diet can thus provide a significant protein boost. Try adding them to breakfast smoothies or oatmeal. They'll not only boost nutrition, but also add a delightful crunch. 3. Regulates blood sugar. First off, let's talk about what blood sugar is and why it matters. Our bodies break down carbohydrates into glucose, that's your blood sugar. Now, for those of us who want to keep our energy levels steady and avoid those dreaded sugar crashes, understanding how to regulate our blood sugar is crucial. Studies show that spikes and drops in blood sugar can lead to all sorts of health issues, from fatigue to, more seriously, diabetes. Now, let's talk about fiber. Chia seeds are an excellent source of soluble fiber. In fact, just 2 tablespoons contain about 10 grams of fiber. So how does that help with our blood sugar? Well, soluble fiber slows down digestion, which means it helps release glucose into the bloodstream gradually. Chia seeds have a minimal impact on blood sugar because they have a low glycemic index. That means they won't cause those sudden spikes in glucose levels, which is what we want. 4. Improves digestion and gut health. When you consume chia seeds, they absorb liquid and expand, forming a gel-like consistency. This is fantastic for digestion because it helps to keep things moving smoothly through your system. By having them at night, you're essentially preparing your gut for a restful night's sleep. Plus, that fiber content keeps you feeling full, which can curb those late-night snack cravings. 5. Supports heart health. A single serving of chia seeds contains an impressive amount of omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, protein, calcium, and antioxidants. It's like a nutritious treasure trove. But how does all that help your heart, especially overnight? Chia seeds are particularly rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to lower cholesterol levels and reduce inflammation. When consumed at night, they can help your body repair and rejuvenate while you sleep. But wait, it gets better. Studies show that regular consumption of omega-3s can lower blood pressure and improve overall heart function. Plus, the fiber in chia seeds can help manage and regulate blood sugar levels, which is crucial for heart health. So, the next time you sprinkle them on your nighttime snack, remember, they're working hard even when you're not. 6. Hydrates the body overnight. Chia seeds have a unique ability to absorb water that can soak up to 12 times their weight. This means that when you consume them, they expand and form a gel-like substance. Imagine this. Overnight, while you're catching those Z's, they're busy soaking up water inside you. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. As chia seeds absorb water, they slow down the release of that water into your bloodstream. This means that instead of a quick hydration spike followed by a crash, your body gets a steady stream of hydration throughout the night. Reduces inflammation. What's the science behind chia seeds and inflammation? When you soak these little gems in water or any liquid, they absorb the liquid and expand, forming a gel-like substance. This process not only makes them easier to digest, but also helps in keeping you hydrated throughout the night, which is essential for reducing inflammation. Inflammation is our body's natural response to injury or infection, but chronic inflammation can lead to a variety of health issues, including arthritis, heart disease, and even some cancers. Including anti-inflammatory foods into your diet is a key step in keeping your body healthy. 8. Supports bone health. You probably know that calcium is essential for maintaining strong bones. Well, chia seeds are a fantastic plant-based source of calcium. Just 1 ounce, that's about 2 tablespoons, has around 18% of your daily calcium needs. This is especially important for those who may not consume dairy products, like vegans or lactose-intolerant individuals. So, adding chia seeds to your smoothies or oatmeal can really boost your calcium intake. But that's not all. Chia seeds also contain phosphorus, another mineral that's vital for bone health. Phosphorus helps to form and maintain strong bones and teeth. Pairing foods rich in calcium and phosphorus can help create a solid foundation for stronger bones. And have you heard about magnesium? This mineral plays a critical role in converting vitamin D into its active form, which is crucial for calcium absorption. Chia seeds are also a good source of magnesium, providing you with about 30% of your daily value in a single ounce. It's like a trifecta of nutrients that work together to keep your bones healthy and strong. One more thing to consider is omega-3 fatty acids. While chia seeds overpower in fiber and texture, they're also a great source of plant-based omega-3s. These healthy fats help combat inflammation, which is beneficial for overall bone health. When your body maintains a balanced inflammatory response, it can effectively support the bone remodeling process. 9. Detoxifies the body. Think of chia seeds as nature's sponge. When you consume them, they help absorb excess toxins and waste in your digestive system. That's right. These seeds act like a gentle broom, sweeping through your intestines and ensuring everything's running smoothly. But let's get into the science a bit. The high fiber content in chia seeds helps delay gastric emptying, which means they keep you full for longer while promoting consistent bowel movements. It also means that your blood sugar levels remain steady, preventing those late-night snack cravings. On top of that, chia seeds are rich in antioxidants. Antioxidants help protect your body from oxidative stress caused by free radicals. Think of these little seeds as tiny warriors fighting off cell damage while you sleep. But what happens when you consume chia seeds at night? Well, during sleep, your body undergoes vital repair processes. The nutrients from chia seeds can aid in this process, allowing your body to detoxify and rejuvenate more effectively. Helps prevent acid reflux. Acid reflux occurs when stomach acid flows back into the tube connecting your mouth and stomach, which is known as the esophagus. It can happen due to various reasons, like eating heavy meals late at night, lying down too soon after eating, or consuming spicy foods. You know the feeling, that burning sensation creeping up your throat, which can be so uncomfortable. Chia seeds are incredibly high in soluble fiber. When you soak them in water or any liquid, they expand and form a gel-like substance. This gel can help absorb gastric acid and form a protective barrier in your stomach. So when you consume them at night before bed, they help keep that acid in check, so you wake up feeling refreshed rather than regretting your late-night snack. Strengthens immunity. When it comes to immunity, our body needs various nutrients to function optimally. The omega-3 fatty acids in chia seeds have strong anti-inflammatory properties, which help to reduce inflammation, a key factor in how well our immune system can respond to threats. Of course, you can get omega-3s from fish or supplements, but with chia seeds, you're getting it in a plant-based whole food form. This can be super beneficial if you're vegetarian or vegan. But that's not all. The fiber in chia seeds also supports gut health, which is super important because a healthy gut means a stronger immune system. Did you know that about 70% of your immune system is located in your gut? So, eating foods that promote gut health is crucial. So, how should you take chia seeds at night for maximum health benefits? The best way is to soak them in water, juice, or your favorite milk before bed. For every tablespoon of chia seeds, use about 3 tablespoons of liquid. Allow them to soak for at least 30 minutes, but overnight is perfect. This allows the seeds to absorb the liquid and expand, which makes them easier to digest. You can also get creative. Add a bit of honey, your favorite fruit, or even some nuts for added texture and flavor. A simple nighttime chia pudding can be made like this. Just mix everything and pop it in the fridge. It's a delicious snack that you can look forward to before bed. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health tips. And let me know in the comments how you like to use chia seeds at night. I can't wait to hear your recipes and ideas.